Hey there, how are you? What does it take to be a skilled craftsman? Today, I'm going to let you know there's 3 different variables, some under our control, some not under our control. But there's 3 different ideas as to what it takes to be a skilled craftsman. If your craft is woodworking, this right here is for you. If your craft is metalworking, you're an iron worker or a welder or whatever it may be, I'm sure you'll see how this could fit in with what you do also. So if any of you are like me and sometimes you're getting frustrated, sometimes your projects are not coming out well, or maybe it's just creativity, just hold on and see what of these 3 that you can control and you can change. Number 1, wood quality. That's right. You may think that you're getting some of the best wood you can, but you don't know what the moisture may be like. You don't know what it's been through. You don't know how dried it's been. There's different levels of wood quality that you can pick from. There's a whole assortment. There's a whole database of what type of quality of wood that you're receiving whenever you buy wood at Home Depot or your local lumber yard. There's S4S wood. There's wood that's already planed, already sanded for you, that gives you a good head start on whatever project you're working on. And some of that is some of the hardest things that people have to overcome is getting good, straight, flat wood. So wood quality is number 1. That is something that maybe if it's within your budget, that is something you can change. That is something that you can do better with your wood selection from the beginning of a project. Number 2 is tool quality. That's it, tool quality. So that comes down to sharpness of blades, chisels, bits, the sharpness of anything that you're working with. A lot of times that is reflected upon expenses. A lot of the better tools may cost more. And some people would argue that it would be good if a beginner had some of the best tools out there because they don't have what it takes necessarily to use a worse track saw, like say a wind track saw versus a Festool track saw. A track saw that when you try to cut at a 45-degree bevel kind of bounces with you if you don't hold it straight. Tools that you're using to plane or to sand you may not have access to if you don't have that yet, or not sharpening chisels, anything. So that right there hinders the quality of your work by so much. People just don't take that into consideration whenever a project's underway. So there we've covered wood quality and tool quality. All of us know both of which make a big difference in any woodworking project that you're undergoing. Before I get to the last one that we'll all know and understand, I ask that you give me a chance to explain it after I say it, but also I ask that you like and subscribe. I'm new to YouTube, and every new subscriber means the world to me, and I really appreciate it. But number 3, that's skill. Skill in itself is the only variable in this woodworking equation that you can really control. If you can afford it, of course you'll get the best tool you can. You'll get the best wood that you can. Realistically, skill, you need to put in the time, the effort, and have the patience. Those 3 things, the time, effort, and patience to grow your skill, is the only things that you can really control. If you can only afford Harbor Freight chisels, Home Depot, Ryobi saws and tools, if you can't afford the best, and you think that is the limitation, that is not it. Okay, that is one variable that may hinder you a little bit, but work on your patience. Okay, up your effort. Okay, you can control how much time you spend getting better. But also understand, I am a beginner woodworker. That's why I know this. This is exactly what I have to tell myself. Okay, but that's it, guys, gals. I appreciate y'all watching this far. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I've said, it'd make my day to see a new subscriber. We're at 30 now, but I know we're headed for 100 soon. So the rest of this video is just me working on a drill press stand. Nothing fancy, nothing for sale, just something for me to use in my own shop. More practice for me. Okay, I'm going to speed this video up dramatically so the end will be right around the corner. Thank y'all, and y'all have a great day.